Okay, for activity 5 of lesson 4, shapes and parameters. So this one we're just going to add a background here. It says the background will draw on top of anything already, and so it's important to think about the order of your code. That gets to that sequencing again, and the sequence of your code and the order of how things are working. Make a black background behind the green circle, drag out the black background, and add a background to your code. So pretty straightforward. We're just going to drag this out. Now if I dragged it down here, we're just going to do this as an example, and we want this to be black, so it matches that. Interesting. Let's try that again. Drag the black out there and run it. See how it covered that up? Now if I move this up to the top of this and run this, there you go. So that's how you make that background with this. It's just pretty straightforward. Put the background, make sure you place it first so that it'll draw the background, then it will draw your shape in that location. And that should be this activity for you. Good luck.